agents are not part of the receiving teams. However, the statutory forms are available to them to verify that the results received by them from their polling stations, agents mirror those received by the Commission at the tallying center. So the agents will look at the copies of the forms and confirm that the results or the forms are similar to what you received from the polling stations and confirmed by your agents at the constituency tallying centers. So we advise that agents in this exercise cannot proceed in the manner which we are proceeding, as if we are doing a forensic audit. Please observe the process and document the tallying process. Make notes, document what is going on. Compare Form 34s issued, and you are being given copies to the party agents and those received by the presidential returning officer at the tallying center, and bring to the attention of election officials any errors, irregularities noted in the comparison of the forms, and make notes of those errors and sign declaration forms at the end of the tallying. But please don't interrogate the returning officers and slow down the process. If we do that, then we shall not be able to finish this exercise. So agents, play a role, observe, make notes, and then let the process move on. I'm directing that each desk should not take more than 15 minutes per returning officer. So those who, and perhaps I was here the whole of last night until this morning. I observed a few incidents of disruption of the process. Please restrain yourselves from disrupting this national exercise. If there are any incidents of disruption, we shall remove you from this tallying center. So please restrain yourselves from disrupting the process. If you have any concerns, make note of the concerns and raise them with me. Do not disrupt the teams that are carrying out this exercise.